numerous supplements have been promoted to improve immune function. One of those is glutamine, which I'll talk about next slide, and the other is vitamin C. Now, vitamin C has been promoted for years and years to help aid the immune system. Now, there has been some studies to confirm this. They've shown that lower percentage of upper respiratory tract infections in ultra-endurance runners. Here's the data here where we have runners here and controls. This is with vitamin C, and then this is the placebo. And the coloured part of the column here and here are the symptoms of upper respiratory tract infections. And notice that the ones taking the vitamin C, there was less subjects with symptoms compared to the runners taking the placebo. So they didn't know what they were taking, but more than double had symptoms compared to the ones taking the vitamin C. They had a control group that didn't do any running, and there was no real difference there between the two. So in that case, vitamin C does have an effect. So they took about 600 milligrams of vitamin C per day versus the placebo where they had nothing. Carbohydrate ingestion. There has been some evidence showing that ingestions before, during, and after exercise attenuated a rise in control. A rise in cortisol, I should say. That reduced stress on the immune system. And so taking the carbohydrate may have influenced that. However, they're the only studies that have shown that, and so yeah, probably needs to be confirmed. Glutamine is an important non-essential amino acid within the body. It is produced by primarily skeletal muscle. And if you remember back from your exercise physiology, you'll know that around 60% of the amino acids in the body is made up of glutamine. It's a major fuel source for the specific immune system. So the B cells and T cells, the lymphocytes, and then you've got macrophages and neutrophils, all need glutamine to function. So rather than having fats or carbohydrates, it uses glutamine as its fuel source. It also contributes to immune cell number and proliferation, and injury and acute stress can lower glutamine concentration within the body. So that may affect the immune system if it's not getting enough fuel. However, studies have shown that supplements of glutamine, so you can buy these supplements, and the marketing spiel is that it will boost immune function. There's insufficient evidence regarding this, and so there needs to be caution when spending money to boost immune function taking glutamine, because really no one suffers glutamine loss or reduction high enough to affect the immune response. Like I said, the body produces its own glutamine, and particularly from skeletal muscle, and we're rarely going to run out of it even during starvation.